On March 22, 2026, severe convective weather struck Vientiane, the capital of Laos, during the afternoon hours, bringing intense winds and unusually large hailstones that caused widespread destruction across the city. According to local reports, the storm developed rapidly, with strong gusts and heavy hail impacting residential areas the hardest. The hailstones were described as exceptionally large, comparable to the size of duck eggs and chicken eggs, making this one of the most intense hail events recorded in the region in recent times. The damage was significant. Numerous houses suffered heavy structural impacts, with roofs punctured or completely destroyed under the force of the falling hail. In several locations, parts of buildings collapsed, leaving homes exposed and unsafe. Streets were left covered with debris, including broken roofing materials, shattered glass, and damaged household items. The situation was particularly severe due to the vulnerability of local housing structures. Many homes in affected areas are not built to withstand extreme weather events of this magnitude. As a result, the combination of strong winds and large hailstones led to rapid and extensive damage within a short period. Residents reported sudden onset conditions, with little warning before the storm intensified. The loud impact of hail hitting rooftops and structures created panic, forcing people to seek immediate shelter. Fortunately, there have been no confirmed reports of large-scale casualties so far, but property losses are considerable. Authorities are currently assessing the extent of the damage and coordinating response efforts. Initial evaluations indicate that multiple neighborhoods have been affected, with urgent need for temporary shelter and repair support.